Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Vudu on your smart TV and start streaming movies and shows, follow these simple instructions. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the App Store or Channel Store depending on your TV brand. Step 2. Search for Vudu in the App Store and select the official Vudu app from the results. Step 3. Download and install the Vudu app on your smart TV. Step 4. Open the Vudu app once the installation is complete. Step 5. On the welcome screen, select Sign in or activate your device to begin the activation process. Step 6. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this code visible. Step 7. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to vudu.com. Activate. Step 8. Enter the activation code shown on your TV into the field on the website. Then sign in with your Vudu account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking Sign Up. Once the code is verified, your smart TV will refresh automatically and Vudu will be activated. You can now browse and watch thousands of movies and TV shows available on the platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.